Hello guys, welcome back to the channel where we look at the issues affecting Jamaica. In today's video, we will be looking at the notoriously poor roads in our country. This present government, just like any other government, is finding all kinds of things to say and to justify as to why road works have not been done. Here, as a matter of fact, listen keenly to what Minister Montague has to say.
The projects to be completed and enough road work are going to start soon. So I say to the people of Mango Valley and other communities, we're ready for you now, but we are sorry for the delay. We apologize to all road users, but Dr. Holness plans for road soon, boss, and you will see. But just like how the party is active, the government is active too. Because roads right across Jamaica are bad, but work soon start on them.
If this is your first time joining the channel, welcome, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more political content. The poor state of Jamaica's road is a perennial issue that seems to take center stage during election years. It's a phenomenon that raises questions about the motivations behind these infrastructure projects. Are they genuinely aimed at improving the lives of Jamaicans? Or are they merely a means to garner votes? One possible explanation is that election year road repairs are a convenient way for politicians to demonstrate their commitment to public welfare. By investing in high visibility projects, they can showcase their ability to deliver tangible benefits to constituents. This strategy can indeed pay dividends at the polls, as voters are more likely to support candidates who can point to concrete achievements. However, this kind of approach raises concerns about the sustainability and effectiveness of these projects. Are the repairs merely cosmetic, designed to impress voters rather than provide long-term solutions? Are the funds being allocated efficiently, or are they being squandered on hastily conceived projects that may not withstand the test of time? The timing of these projects is also suspect. Why must they coincide with election year? Is it merely a coincidence? Or is there a more cynical calculation at play? By delaying road repairs until the year of election, politicians effectively hold the country's infrastructure hostage, using it as a bargaining chip to secure votes. Ultimately, the condition of Jamaica's road is a symptom of a broader challenge: the need for sustained investment in the country's infrastructure. Rather than relying on election year quick fixes, Jamaica requires a comprehensive, long-term approach to road maintenance and development. As voters, it's essential to look beyond the surface level appeals of election year road repairs. We must demand more from our leaders: a commitment to transparency, accountability, and sustainable development. Only then can we ensure that Jamaica's roads are fixed, not just for the election period or during elections, but for generations to come. And thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one.